Fuel price hikes are expected to persist next week amid geopolitical tensions and robust demand. In an advisory on Friday, February 13, Duterte Petroleum President Leo Belez says the local prices of diesel products may increase again by 50 centavos to 70 centavos per liter. If implemented on February 17, this would be the 8th week of price increases for diesel. Gasoline prices are seen to jump higher by 1 peso and 40 centavos to 1 peso and 60 centavos per liter. It would mark the 6th consecutive week of price hikes for gasoline. According to Belez, oil prices remained elevated and volatile this week as the threat of US-Iran conflict remains. He says Iran-related Western sanctions and tariff threats on countries buying Iranian goods have added to the price volatility. For gasoline, the projected upward adjustment was attributed to the strong buying interest in the region and seasonal uptick in demand during the upcoming Lunar New Year. The camp of former President Rodrigo Duterte is seeking the removal of Filipino lawyers representing the drug war victims in the International Criminal Court from the case. In a document released on Thursday, February 12, Duterte's lead counsel Nicholas Kaufman is calling for the disqualification of Joel Butuyan, Gilbert Andres, and Nicolene Arcaina. This comes just 2 weeks after the ICC appointed Butuyan and Andres as common legal representatives for the victims. The ICC also recently designated Arcaina as case manager for the victims. Arcaina earlier worked for Center Law from 2019 to 2023. She later became executive director of the Ateneo Human Rights Center. Butuyan is a managing partner in Center Law, while Andres is a senior partner there. The defense team is asking the ICC's pretrial Chamber 1 to revoke the 3 lawyers' designations due to a supposed conflict of interest and for allegedly posing an impediment to representation. The defense argues that Arcaina's role as case manager for the victims and another role that was redacted in the defense filing are structurally incompatible. Kaufman says this is because such a team of common legal representatives may get hold of pieces of evidence, including those that could exonerate Duterte outside the disclosure scheme. The defense also contends that Butuyan and Andres knew of Arcaina's undisclosed role at the time they were processing her appointment to their team. Duterte's lawyers also asked the chamber to immediately deny the 3 lawyers access to case records while the request for their disqualification is pending. Should they be disqualified, the defense says a counsel from the Office of Public Counsel for the victims may adequately represent the interests of the victims. They say this is to avoid further delays in Duterte's confirmation of charges hearing set on February 23. The Office of Public Counsel for the victims functions similarly to the Public Attorney's Office in the Philippines. It served as the legal representative of the victims before the appointment of Butuyan and Andres. A social weather station survey shows that about 1 in every 4 Filipinos said they have witnessed or experienced cheating, yet almost half believe trust can still be restored. The National SWS survey was conducted from November 24 to 30, 2025. Survey results revealed 27% of adult Filipinos said they personally witnessed or experienced some form of cheating in a relationship, and 72% said they have not. Among those who experienced cheating, physical and emotional cheating were the most common, both at 11%. SWS defines physical cheating as engaging in sexual and intimate activities with someone else. The poll firm describes emotional cheating as talking with another person about a problem instead of with one's own partner, or having romantic feelings for another person even though there is no physical relationship. These were followed by cyber cheating, object cheating, financial cheating, and micro cheating. As participants could give multiple answers, 8% reported experiencing combined cheating or engaging in more than one type of cheating at a time. Meanwhile, the SWS says 43% believe trust can still be restored in a relationship after someone cheats. 36% said trust can't be restored, while 19% were undecided. The SWS nationwide survey was conducted through face-to-face interviews with 1,200 adults.